Welcome, folks, to a deep dive into the heavyweight rivalry between two giants of the trucking world, Scania and Volvo. This battle for dominance has been raging for decades, with both companies vying to be crowned the strongest. But why exactly do Scania and Volvo keep duking it out, pushing the boundaries of truck engineering? Let's explore. First off, let's talk power. Both Scania and Volvo are known for their relentless pursuit of horsepower supremacy. From the roaring engines of the 1950s to the latest turbocharged beasts of the 2020s, these companies have been locked in an arms race to see who can deliver the most muscle under the hood. In the early days, engines were measured in modest horsepower, but as technology advanced, so did the power output. For example, in the 1950s, Scania's Vabis L75 boasted a robust inline, six-cylinder diesel engine, while Volvo's L395 Titan set standards with its powerful inline, six-cylinder diesel engine. Fast forward to the present day, and we witness the evolution of engine technology to meet modern demands. Turbocharging, electronic fuel injection systems, and advanced engine control units have become standard features, allowing trucks to produce staggering amounts of horsepower and torque. Today's trucks, like Scania's R and S series and Volvo's FH16, are powerhouses capable of delivering unprecedented levels of performance. But it's not just about sheer power, it's also about innovation. Both Scania and Volvo are pioneers in truck technology, constantly introducing groundbreaking features and advancements to stay ahead of the curve. They invest heavily in research and development to create engines that minimize fuel consumption and reduce emissions, while also leading the industry in safety with features like advanced collision avoidance systems and driver assistance technologies such as semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Reliability is another key battleground in this rivalry. Truckers need to know that their vehicles can handle whatever the road throws at them, and both Scania and Volvo have built reputations for producing trucks that are as tough as nails. From the rugged landscapes of Scandinavia to the sweltering highways of the Sahara, these trucks have proven themselves time and time again. But what sets them apart? It's their relentless commitment to quality and durability. From meticulously engineered engines to rugged chassis and suspension systems, every aspect of these trucks is designed to withstand the rigors of long-haul transportation, earning the trust of drivers around the world. Of course, no discussion of this rivalry would be complete without mentioning service and support. When you're out on the road, you need to know that help is just a phone call away. Both Scania and Volvo understand the importance of providing reliable service and support to their drivers, which is why they have spared no expense in establishing extensive networks of dealers and service centers across the globe. But it's not just about the quantity of service centers, it's about the quality of support they offer. Both companies invest heavily in training their technicians to ensure that they are equipped with the knowledge and expertise needed to diagnose and resolve any issue quickly and efficiently. Additionally, they offer comprehensive roadside assistance programs, providing peace of mind to drivers no matter where their travels take them. Whether it's a routine maintenance check or a major repair, drivers can rest assured that Scania and Volvo have their backs, ensuring that they can get back on the road safely and swiftly. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of this rivalry is the way it drives innovation forward. With each new battle for supremacy, Scania and Volvo push each other to up their game, leading to advancements that benefit not only the companies themselves, but the entire trucking industry. It's a testament to the power of competition and the drive to constantly improve.